March 11th, Shaki Court on Grave Crimes held a hearing in the case of the people accused in relation to Ismaili incidents. The defendants made their closing speeches. Defendant Rashid Mamadov said he was a student and he has been held in detention for a year and 2 months despite of being innocent. He said he was unjustly prosecuted on 4 grave charges and asked the court to make a fair judgment and acquit him. Other defendants Ceyhun Abbasov, Sakawat Samadov, Elchin Ismaili, Kail Sharanov and Shakir Mustafayev made their final speeches as well. They told the court about their underage children and their families' difficult living conditions and asked for a fair verdict. Vasif Ibrahimov said that he was detained for telling in an interview that it was the children of state officials who brought the people to this extent. Disabled Sakawat Samadov told the court that he took out the furniture from the burning Chirag Hotel in order to protect them and brought them back the next day. He asked the court to take his mother's and his own disability into account. Leader of Real Movement Ilgar Mammadov stated in his speech that after the fall of the Soviet Empire, several evil khanates were established in its territories and one of them is Azerbaijan, where human rights are violated. Mammadov said that he was arrested in order to prevent him from participating in elections. If the prosecutor's request to hand an 8-year prison sentence to Mammadov is satisfied, then he will be unable to take part in elections until 2020. Mammadov said it is the reaction of the international community which is important for him, not the decision of the court, because they have an objective picture of his case thanks to participation of the representatives of the US, embassies of EU countries and EU mission in his trial. Advisor to the Musavat Party chairman and Yeni Musavat newspaper columnist Tawfik Yaqublu rebutted the charges of organizing riot in Ismaili, saying that it was a popular protest against arbitrariness of state officials. He noted that the Prosecutor General's office were prejudiced towards him after he investigated a mass killing committed in the Oil Academy building. At that time, the prosecutor's office stated that the mastermind of that manslaughter was Georgian citizen of Armenian origin, Mardun Gumashian. Acting on the information, Yaqublu went to Georgia and found out that Mardun was an ordinary person who was not prosecuted by law enforcement agencies and that the government of Azerbaijan sent no request to Georgia regarding Gumashian. Yaqublu said that even if he got an 80-year sentence, he would be proud that he was imprisoned for fighting for freedom. Ilgar Mammadov and Tawfik Yaqublu were arrested 10 days after their visit to Ismaili city, where they went to learn the reasons of a public unrest that happened on 23rd of January 2013. They were charged with organizing public disorder and resisting the representative of authorities or urging violence against them. In late April, the charge of organizing public disorder was replaced by that of plotting mass unrest. On April the 9th, the European Court of Human Rights began considering Ilgar Mammadov's application and started communication with Azerbaijani government.